Well, good afternoon. As we gather here today, with cases and hospitalizations rising across the country, President Trump directed us to host this briefing to describe the ongoing work of our task force and our partnership with state and local officials and our partners in the private sector to continue to put the health of America first. But first, let me begin simply by saying that our hearts and our prayers are with all of those families that have been impacted by the coronavirus over the course of the past 10 months. And let me say personally, not a day has gone by that I haven't thought personally about families that have lost loved ones. And I want to assure each of you that you will always be in our hearts and you will remain in our prayers. But we wanted to take this opportunity also to thank the American people for the extraordinary sacrifices that you've made over the course of the past 10 months. We've been through a lot together. We went through 45 days to slow the spread back when the positivity rate across this country was more than 20%. We managed to accomplish our objective. We slowed the spread, we flattened the curve, we saved lives. Now, cases are rising throughout the country. Positivity in the last 30 days has risen from an average of 5% to 10%. With the massive increase in testing over the last 10 months, with PPE and medical supplies and equipment that are available to the American people, with the medicines and the therapeutics, and very soon the vaccines that are available, America has never been more prepared to combat this virus than we are today. But our pledge to each and every American looking on today is we're going to work around the clock to keep it that way. We're going to make sure that hospitals that are seeing patients coming in on an increasing basis know that we're going to work around the clock to meet that need. In every one of these cases, we're going to give you the best information that we have. I trust that you will have a sense today that we're going to continue to work around the clock to meet this moment. But help is on the way. We have every confidence that in a short period of time, we could have one or more safe and effective vaccines for the American people. And as each of us does our part in partnership with state and local officials, each of us does our part to look after our own families and our own communities. I believe the day is coming soon when we will put this coronavirus in the past. With that, let me introduce Dr. Deborah Birx, who will update us on cases. And after